my YouTube, guys. I have to record at this part of the game from now on because my system is screwy. So follow me on Twitch, EW Viper, and YouTube, Tim's Nerd Stuff and Comedy. Here we go, babies. It's a Turn Up Thursday. We're back. Friday the 13th is back, baby. Just like they kept making sequels, we keep playing this game. Alright, everybody, here we go. Cisco! We got another Jason 9. Here he comes. Straight out of hell. Good luck, everybody, except for Jason 9. You know, in German, Jason 9 means Jason, no!
I gotta find the others.
Because 9 means no. Anyway. Whatever. Hey, if you're in that barn, let me take the part, because I'm AJ. Hey, if there's a part in that barn, let me take it, baby. Hey, let me take that part. Let me take that part. You can't do it, Vanessa. Vanessa! 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 Give me that part. Hey, give me that part. Hey. Give me that. Look, there's a first aid over there. Go take that. Are you gonna... Whatever, bitch. Hey guys, Vanessa stole my gas I was gonna use. So she's gonna try to put it in for some reason. This dirty bitch. I hope she picks me up though. What? What about the generator? Oh shit, guys. Jason's at the main house. Jason's at the main house. Jason's at the main house, guys. And Vanessa stole my gas. So, there's that. Hey guys, Jason's at the main house. The gas should be on its way to one of the cars. What? Wait, this car is started? Alright, listen, I am on the road. I don't know if I'm on the left side or right side. But I'm at the... Oh, the two-seater. Alright, never mind. Bye!
I'm out of here.
Alright guys, listen. Two-seater got away. We gotta try to figure out something else, babies. Two-seater's gone. Alright. Y'all coming in? Alright, I'm closing this door. Alright guys, listen, Jason is up here near the main road. Whatever you're doing, go ahead and do it. He's on us. Ladies and germs. Alrighty, here we go. Damn, he said you ain't shit, Jason. That's what he said. He said that, not me. Alrighty, y'all. Jason's out here in the streets. He's doing Jason type shit. Damn, I don't even have a map, y'all. Ain't that a bitch? Bum 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 bum. Damn, we don't even have Tommy called? Shit. Well, that's no good. Ladies and gents. Alrighty. Let's go, babies. Ooh, I couldn't see anything there for a second. Are we working on the... Okay, we're working on the 4. Alright. You got it? Did you just pick it up, Devastation? Hand it to me, baby. I'm AJ. Let's go. You got the keys? Nice. Take that bad, baby.
Oh, I hope I'm
Okay,
doing
cool.
this
Yeah, I
right.
won't. Bro, we're stylish as shit. You got those plaid pajamas on. I got the skeleton, but green. Nice. Looking good. Alright, guys. Jason's on us, but... Oh, he shifted on us. Shit. Alright, we got him, I think. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Little juke, juke. You know which way to go. I'm not even going to tell you. Alrighty, everybody. Listen. I don't have a map, so I can't help nobody do shit. But if you're there, I would go to the main road, the one person that's left on the map. Alright, hey, look out your window, bro. Look out your window, bro. Jason's over here, though. Come on. Hey, listen, if you make it to the car, the back seat is the only spot's open. If you don't make it, that's on your mama.
Who is that? Oh my god, I can't look.
Ooh, we're giving you every chance we can, man. Nah, you know what? I don't think he's getting out. I think he's staying. Yeah, he's staying. He's the guy that stole my gas anyway. Bye. GG's, GG's. Nice. I hope I'm still recording, if I was ever recording to begin with. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens to Vanessa. Damn, there was no Tommy, huh? Nah, yeah, he knocked out the power box, yeah. Hey, y'all, that's the first thing I do when I'm Jason. I'm not one of those guys that knows exactly where all the power boxes are, but if I get lucky.
Help! Oh god!
Two. Really? And like, give me 1 second. I'll be back.
You've done your job well, and Mommy is pleased. Come home, sweetie.
Alright, I'm back. I had to put my chili in the fridge. Oh, well shit, the game's over. GG's everybody, GG's.